Girl, Interrupted is a memoir written by Susanna Kaysen, published in 1990. The book provides a poignant and honest account of Kaysen's experiences during her 18-month stay at a psychiatric hospital in the late 1960s. Summary. In Susanna Kaysen's 1993 memoir, Girl, Interrupted, she details her experience as a young woman navigating life in a psychiatric hospital in the late 1960s. The story opens with 18-year-old Susanna voluntarily admitting herself to McLean Hospital after a suicide attempt. Initially expecting a brief stay, she ends up spending nearly 2 years within its walls. Throughout the book, Susanna recounts her journey alongside an array of colorful characters, fellow patients grappling with their own mental illnesses. There's Polly Torch Clark, a childlike girl with schizophrenia, Daisy Randwan, a self-harming teen with OCD, and the enigmatic, manipulative Lisa, who pushes the very boundaries of sanity. Susanna grapples with her own diagnosis of borderline personality disorder, questioning the boundaries of normality and sanity within the confines of the institution. Life at McLean unfolds in a series of non-chronological vignettes, weaving together moments of introspection, group therapy sessions, and poignant interactions with staff and fellow patients. Susanna observes the changing world outside through a television screen, the tumultuous events of 1968 offering a stark contrast to the controlled environment of the ward. Yet, it's within these walls that she forms deep bonds and confronts uncomfortable truths about herself and the world around her. The book explores themes of identity, mental illness, and the societal construction of sanity. Kaysen's voice is both detached and observant, offering a unique perspective on the often misunderstood world of psychiatric care. Through her journey, she raises questions about diagnosis, treatment, and the very definition of normalcy. Girl, Interrupted is more than just a memoir, it's a coming-of-age story set against the backdrop of a turbulent era. It's a poignant exploration of mental illness, friendship, and the search for oneself in a world that often defines and confines us. Here are some additional points to consider. The book's title references a Johannes Vermeer painting of the same name, suggesting the interruption of female adolescence by societal expectations and struggles. The narrative style is characterized by a cool, dispassionate voice, reflecting both Kaysen's detachment and her desire to leave certain conclusions to the reader. The book sparked controversy for its portrayal of mental illness and treatment, but it also resonated with many readers who saw themselves reflected in Kaysen's experiences. Girl, Interrupted is a powerful exploration of mental health, identity, and the complexities of navigating a
may be recommended for
system.
other disorders.
Susanna Kaysen's writing style combines introspection, dark humor, and a keen observational eye, making the memoir both engaging and thought-provoking.
Hydrotherapy is useful in
Susanna,
calming disturbed
dig
patients.
deeper into her personality, motivations, and growth throughout the story. Discuss the complexity of her borderline personality disorder diagnosis and how it manifests in her actions and relationships. Lisa, unpack the enigma of Lisa. Explore her manipulative behavior, her influence on Susanna, and the questions she raises about the nature of sanity and the power dynamics within the hospital. The other patients dive into the experiences of Polly, Daisy, and other characters, examining their individual struggles and how they contribute to the overall portrait of mental illness and its impact on young women. Thematic exploration. Identity and self-discovery. Discuss how Susanna navigates the question of who she is within the confines of the hospital and societal expectations. Analyze how her relationships with others shape her self-perception. Mental illness and its portrayal. Examine the book's representation of mental illness, considering both its strengths and potential criticisms. Discuss how it challenges or reinforces stereotypes and how it contributes to our understanding of mental health issues. The role of the institution. Analyze the impact of McLean Hospital on Susanna and the other patients. Consider how the setting shapes their experiences and raises questions about institutional power, treatment methods, and individual agency. Coming of age in a turbulent era. Explore how the book intertwines Susanna's personal journey with the socio-political context of the late 1960s. Discuss how external events impact the story and contribute to the themes of identity, rebellion, and questioning societal norms. Throughout the memoir, Kaysen reflects on her experiences, questioning the nature of sanity, the effectiveness of psychiatric treatments, and the societal expectations surrounding mental health. The title, Girl, Interrupted, refers to Kaysen's interrupted life and the societal norms she felt compelled to conform to. The memoir delves into the complexities of mental illness and the blurred lines between normalcy and pathology. Kaysen also explores the themes of identity, autonomy, and the societal pressures that may contribute to mental health struggles. Girl, Interrupted was later adapted into a film in 1999, starring Winona Ryder as Susanna Kaysen and Angelina Jolie as Lisa Rowe, another patient at the hospital. The book and its film adaptation have been praised for shedding light on the stigma surrounding mental health and offering a personal perspective on the challenges of navigating the psychiatric system.